Hi everyone, I'm Lisa and welcome to Lisa's Stamp Studio. Today's quick tip is going to teach you how to make an entire heart-shaped card. This is the Sweet and Sassy Framelits. I'm choosing the largest heart from this collection. You're going to see that there's hearts that are a little bit more modern with a little deeper and wider angle, and then there's your contemporary shapes. The great thing about these framelits is their nesting sizes, so you can see that they work all the way down and all the way up. Great for layering. But I want to teach you how to make a full card, and I have a completed sample for you as soon as we're finished. I'm going to start with a piece of Whisper White cardstock, and I'm just going to fold this in half. It doesn't even have to be perfect because we're actually going to do our cutting on here. I've got my Big Shot and my magnetic platform, and I'm going to place one of the clear cutting mats on the bottom to protect it. And then I've got my folded card. So I'm going to lay that here on my platform. But here's my heart. We don't want it to cut the whole thing because obviously we're going to end up with two hearts then, one for each layer. We want to leave a little bit of a seam here so that we have a connection. So let me show you how you do that. You're going to leave part of the die hanging off the cardstock. Do you see here? Just a small amount to keep it connected. And then I'm going to take the other cutting mat that you would typically put over the top. You have to position it right here on the edge of the die. When it's not covering it right here, the depth isn't deep enough to actually cut, even if there was cardstock there. So go ahead and put that in, and then I'm going to crank. Every Big Shot is different, so you may have to crank there and back to be able to get the whole thing cut. You're just going to have to practice. So here I've got my die, and you can see that it's cut from the back side. So let me pull that away. Now it's not uncommon that those mats shift just a tiny bit. So I'm grabbing my paper snips, and you can actually see there's a line here, which makes it really easy to follow. And just give that a little bit of a snip, and a little bit of a snip on this side. And there we have our heart. But look at, here's the best part, ready? It's actually a full card. These are going to be great for Valentine's Day along with a gift bag or a small gift, but I have one that's completed that I wanted to show you. So same type of card, and all I did was I took Sponge Daubers and Calypso Coral, Melon Mambo, and Rich Razzleberry. Use that brand new Celebrations stamp set. Happy Wishes. Love that. And stamped a little bit on the inside and put a little bit of dauber there. Added some of that silver baker's twine and some sequins. Head over to my blog and click on the Online Classes tab. My January Studio Stamps in the Mail is a way for you to stamp with me from home. And this bundle of framelits along with a stamp set and free pre-cut supplies to make 8 cards are all included with the January edition. You'll find all the information there. Here's a simple way for you to make heart tags for your gifts and packaging. Thanks so much for joining me today, everyone. I look forward to seeing you next time. Have a great day.